And can you explain what a write-off is and how to get them and what it means for your business?
Write-offs is basically what I say is the slang term of what we accountants call an expense. Write-offs are basically, the term comes off, you can write it off against any income that you earn. Usually, dollar for dollar, you would, for every dollar you made, you incurred some kind of expenses or accumulated some write-offs to help you get that $1. And it could be a variety of things. The most common things that people are wondering, oh, can I write off my meals that I bought and things like that? In certain instances, there's a whole guideline for that. Can I write off the use of my car? Yes, you can, as long as you're tracking the mileage that you're using for business purposes. Can I write off, one of the comments, the biggest thing is, if I put my kid on payroll, can I write that off? Yes, but you have to be within reason. There's ways to do that, but you have to be reasonable because you have to adhere to the child labor laws in the state that you're in as well. So, you got a 4-year-old with, $10,000 of income coming in, that's going to look suspicious. But as far as, if you have teenage kids that are of working age, most definitely you write them a job and you actually make them work instead of just, giving them money. That's a viable way. Also, too, one of the common things that people miss all the time is not having a designated workspace in the home. You can deduct business use of your home if you have a designated workspace. So it's determined by square footage. So if you have a area in the dining room or the living room, do a quick walkthrough by feet so you can get the square footage of that living room as well as that workspace or wherever it is, so we can get a percentage of that. And that opens up rent, mortgage interest, not the mortgage payments, real estate taxes, renter's insurance, homeowner. So there's a variety of write-offs that you can get as long as you're organized and you're documenting everything. The problem with the IRS, with the audits that I represented in one, and we couldn't get all of the expenses, is that we didn't have documentation to substantiate. I just can't make stuff up. That's not what I do. I'm in the business of reporting and providing confidence to outsiders that your numbers are right. However, if you cannot substantiate it, the IRS does have a guideline. They publish their audit guidelines online. It's a lot of boring reading, but it's worthwhile so you understand what you need to substantiate to claim and protect your write-offs.
Okay. A lot of information.
I know, right? I mean, yeah, that's why some people fall asleep in accounting classes. It's a lot of information.
Yeah. So if someone wants to get in contact with you, how would they get in contact with you?
Well, you can find me on Facebook. I have a personal page, but my business, Eclat Enterprises LLC, is spelled ECLAT Enterprises LLC. You can also Google accountant near me. That's how a lot of my new clients have been finding me in the last year. So yay, Google. But as far as that's concerned, you can call the office direct at 414-375-9600 or hit us on the cell phone at 414-301-2798.
All right. Sounds good.
All right.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you, Dion.